Hello there.
Hey people, Jared here from My Digital Affiliate. And today we're going to be promoting a $25 online all-in-one business using my lead gen secrets. Alright, day 9 I believe. Now the reason why I like promoting the $25 all-in-one business is because it's recurring commissions and it's 80% recurring commissions. Basically, I get somebody to spend $25, I get $20 of that. Or if I get somebody to spend $125, I get $100 of that. Or if I can get somebody to spend $500, I get $400 of that. All right. So it's a couple of products in this system. If they all, and you can make money off of these people who stay in the system, forever, because it's monthly. It's monthly commissions. So let's keep it moving. We're gonna refresh to see if we got a sale yesterday. I think we did. Let's see. No, I did not get a sale yesterday. It's absolutely fine. That's absolutely fine, guys. Didn't get a sale yesterday, but that's fine. But it's okay because, like I stated before, we got people coming in all the time. We got 20 people in the system, maybe about 5 of them quit, as far as I know. And it's slowly building up, you know what I mean? I'm slowly making more and more money every month, which is very cool. And I'm not really spending that much money to do it. Matter of fact, the way I'm doing it, I'm making money. You know what I mean? I'm not throwing all this money in it. I could do that and probably fast forward my way to a ton of money. I just ain't did it because I want to make videos for you guys and see how well this works with just my lead gen secrets account. All right, so let's just do that. All right, so we go over here, we click that right there. Once you log into your my lead gen secrets account, if you don't know, you'll have this ByteDrop here. Got the mailing system, all that, and this. This is my smallest account. So I got less people in this system than any other system. The reason I'm using one account is because most people are probably gonna sign into my lead gen secrets with just one account. All right, that's the reason why I only got one account for that. All right, so we're gonna go to gonna pick an email here. Now the ones that I got sales for were this one. Both of these, they seem to work pretty well. So we're gonna start using these for a while. We're probably gonna do this for like 3 or 4 days and see what happens. Since I got sales with it. Now it's totally okay to send the same email byte to byte like that. But you get new people in the system all the time, and sometimes they don't check the emails or whatever it may be. So it's fine to send multiple of the same email. You know what I mean? So, let me show you something here. The 2 times I sent this email, okay, this is Friday, Thursday, Wednesday, Tuesday. You see that? Wednesday, Tuesday. Check this out. Tuesday got a sale. Wednesday got a sale. See what I'm saying? So it's a good idea to send this email again. That's what I'm gonna do. We're gonna send the same email. We're gonna hit perfect timing. You know what perfect timing does, it'll send the email around the same time. They check their emails whenever time that is, depending on the person, you know what I mean? But if you're interested in the email right here, I'm slowly paying across it. Instant $20 to $100 monthly commissions each sale. And the email there I'm sending, I made this email myself. I make these emails myself. But these, you can't really find them anywhere. So that's why I'm showing you how, showing you it. Why is the monthly commission getting so high? Blah, blah, blah. That's possible with 1 or 2 sales per week. Very few, if any, business model can get you the yearly 100 income quickly. Get started today and build your income. Basically, right? Make sure the link works. Definitely does. So we send an email. Once we send that email, right from there, That's all there is to it, guys. Real simple to do. Real simple. All right. That's all there is to it. All the links are in the description below. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.